Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar yen, we did end up drifting up more. We do not really have that breaker structure yet, but we definitely are at that point. Now we have CPI inflation data coming out tomorrow for the US, and it seems like we potentially are setting up for a push to the downside, potentially bearish dollar at the news. If this is an ABC, it should go up to one of these Fibonacci levels and then potentially break structure to the downside and end up continuing the downtrend, hopefully giving us this break of structure here that will prove that this up here is the end of a correction on like the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.